Hey guys, it's Rachel here with WTI. If you're looking for a way to keep your curls hydrated, you've got to try the Carol's Daughter Hydrating Leave-In Conditioner. This stuff is amazing and the smell is divine. So I'll use it after I've washed my hair when my hair is really wet. I'll put about 10, maybe 15 sprays all over my hair, and I'll spray it about 6 to 8 inches away from my hair and just make sure that it's nice and coated. And then I'll usually add a gel after that, and I will scrunch my hair and I'll just leave it to air dry. Pretty simple. I love that I don't have to use a lot of products with this. I think Carol's Daughter Products uses amazing ingredients. I like that they don't use silicones, parabens, things like that. And this product in particular, it has castor oil and also has rosemary leaf oil. So some oils that are super hydrating and work really well. They don't weigh my hair down as well. This product is not at all sticky and it doesn't leave my hair oily. I think this is an awesome product. I love how it hydrates my curls. I use it every day. I love it, and that's my point of view.